Hey, Grant here. Hey, if you've got tennis elbow, arthritis, tendonitis, I found something that you might want to try. This is an elbow support brace, and it's very simple to use. This is for males or females, and it comes in a nice package here. So let's see what we got. Okay, like I said, it was really simple. This is the brace part. This is all it is to it. It's got a buckle on each end. And it also sends you 3 different size straps, depending on which size that you're going to need to wear for you to fit you best. And of course, an instruction book, which this old man hardly ever reads, but it usually pays off when you do. Okay, take whichever strap that you're wanting to try on you. Just thread it through the buckle. Thread it through the other buckle. It's got Velcro on each end so that you just fold it down to fit you. Okay, then you just put it on, and where you want to put it is about an inch down from your elbow. So make sure the gel on the inside, the gel pad, is on the muscle where it bulges when you contract your arm and make a muscle. That's where you want to feel it. You want the gel to be against that muscle when you contraction. And then you just tighten it down however you need to tighten it. And like I said, you want to feel it when you contract that muscle. And when you let go of the muscle and release the tension, you don't want it to feel real tight. And that's it. So once again, elbow support. It's a neat little brace. Not much to it, but it can help you a lot. So give it a try. Hope this helps. Hope to see you again.